In this video, I would like to create a dashed line. So it means it's a line where is one part, the second part is missing, third part, fourth part is missing, and so on and so on. So we will use here in documentation, we call it drawing state. It's pen down and pen up. So it means if you say, okay, Harry, go forward, and the distance will be 50. So it goes like this, go forward about 50. Now if you say Harry, pen up, so it means it means pen up, okay, and there is nothing, okay, so it only means pen up, and you go again 50 ahead. So it means if you run it, you can see that it draw a line with with the distance of 50. After that, pen up and draw or not draw the line, and go 50. So it means now if we will go again, pen down and go forward again, so it means it creates another part of the line, correct? Like this. Perfect. I like this. So now guys, it's up to you that you will create a dashed line. It's up to you how long it will be, but you will create it with cycle. So that's the first part. Okay, so first dashed line with cycle, and the second part dashed line with function. Okay, and in the function there will be a cycle. So you can try that by your own, and I will create as well. So I hope that you pause the video, you will try that by yourself. So dash line with cycle. So how it goes, we can see that there is something what will repeat again. So I will create a 4 cycle. I don't need the numbers. So in range, I don't know how I said, it's up to you guys how long it will be. So for example, 20, what do we say? And here, what will be here? So I guess it will be this 4 lines, like this. Okay, I will comment it out. So go forward, pen up, go forward, pen down. And again, go forward, pen up, 50, forward, pen down. I think it should work. We will see. So I will run it. Okay, perfect. I like it. Maybe I put here some smaller distance. Okay, perfect. I like it. So maybe I put here 15. So I would like to see the, okay, it's 10. Okay, perfect. So now we would like to create the same thing with function. So it means def, it will like dashed line, we can call it. Okay, in this time no parameters here. I put here this, and this I will comment it out. So now if you have a sorry, small problem, I forgot the 4 cycle here, so it has to go like this. Okay, here I will comment it out, and now I just call it, and we will see. Okay, perfect. It goes exactly what we expected, correct? So now, if you want, you can decide which parameters will be here. So, for example, how many times it should go, or only the distance. So it's up to you guys. So if you put here, for example, the size, it can be here and here. Okay, so now if I put here, for example, the 20, I will run it. So the 20, it's size, so it means it forward 20, forward 20, okay. Oh, perfect. If you want, you can we can change it, maybe not size, maybe I will call it distance, maybe it's a better description, like here. Okay, now it will be the same, so we only change the name. So 20, it's the distance here, so it means forward 20, forward 20, okay. I will run it, and goes like this. But here I would like to put there how many times, so it means what is it? It's a length. Length, okay, and length will be here, so it means how long it should be. So I put here, for example, 10. Okay, I will run it. You can see it's still the same, and maybe you don't know which number is which, that this is distance and this is length. So if you remember from the tutorial about Python or some Python for beginners, you can write here distance and length, so you know which one is which. Perfect. Okay, so distance is 20, length is 10. Okay, so here will be 10 and here will be 20. Perfect. So I hope, guys, you were successful to create it, and we will see in the next video.